Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how you can make money playing games with Honeygain. And I'm going to go through a step-by-step procedure on what you can do to make money playing video games. Now Honeygain is basically a platform which uses your internet bandwidth, and the way that you can make money specifically with Honeygain is by downloading Honeygain, of course, on your device that you're going to be gaming on. And all you're going to have to do is you're going to turn on the traffic sharing mode. You can do this by opening the application and clicking on the traffic sharing mode, and you'll start earning cash. So Honeygain will basically run silently in the background and it will generate money for you. Now you can go ahead and invite your gaming buddies or your friends, and you'll get a bonus every time they join, and you'll receive a 10% boost each time they earn. That's basically how you can earn with Honeygain, but it also offers a lot of different ways where you can play games on different gaming apps and earn a great amount. So Jump Task, for example, is basically a great way. It partners with Honeygain, and the way that this works is it's a Web3 microtasking platform. It gives you different applications, different games, and different surveys. You can go ahead and do those, and will earn something called Jump Tokens. Now Jump Token is basically a cryptocurrency that you can cash out. Now if you can earn up to $20 a day depending on how much time you wish to spend on your task marketplace, and that's pretty significant when you talk about it in a large scale of things as a passive income. Similarly, there's different applications such as Misplay, Swagbucks, Just Play, and the way that these work is basically they give you games to play. They'll give you specific games to play, and all you have to do is play those particular games to give it a review or just test out the product, see if there's there's any what you call errors, issues with the game, and that will essentially pay. But that's the basic criteria. That's how you can make money with gaming. Now you can go ahead and join a team, become a game developer, video game designer, but that comes very later. If you're talking about making money with Honeygain and gaming, the best way is just to turn on Honeygain while you game. But yeah, that's about it, everybody. For more information, you can go to their platform and read this tutorial yourself and get a knowledge of how this essentially works. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below.